Alright, welcome guys to my screen. So I'm gonna be sharing my analysis for you know coming weeks, um and also some trades I took and the ones that I'm active. Okay, so let's go. So first I'm gonna start with Euro. For Euro, I've been um I've been bullish on Euro for quite a long time. So yeah, I've been bullish on Euro for a very long time, and I anticipated that Euro would continue buying. Um, so I think I caught a rally from here to here. I also caught a rally from here to here, but I didn't catch these other rally upwards, right? So yeah, that's just it. I didn't catch this because it didn't give me my setup. Yeah, but I was still, you know, right on the direction. Not really set up, but I would see the time frame. I use daily for entries. So the entry appeared on a 4 hour. So and I don't use 4 hour for my swings. I use daily. So I had to just leave it and focus on other pairs. However, in coming weeks, I'm expecting a short-term sell on EU. So I'll be patiently waiting for that. Okay, I'll be patiently waiting for that. However, I'm still bullish on EU based on structural analysis, but I'll be looking for some short-term sells uh, to long-term buys, basically. But mostly importantly, I'm looking for sells. So I'm gonna be waiting patiently to see how this week plays out. Uh, Same thing on GU. Also waiting for sells on GU. Um, Last week we almost had, I almost got a confirmation, to sell to this particular zone. However, the sell didn't play out as you can see. The sell didn't play out well. It just bounced off that zone to the upper level. So I'm still gonna wait again to see how this week plays out. If there are gonna be any short-term sells. Likewise, AD USD. So as you can see, as I've annotated on the chart, um, I'll be watching this zone. If market comes, if market still pumps to the upside, then I'm gonna wait. But I'm gonna watch this zone. If it comes, nice sell towards here. If it doesn't, I'm gonna stay off. Same thing on NZD USD as well. So the market is bullish, so I'm looking for short-term sells as per my strategy. I'm looking for short-term sells um, to profit from. Then on NZD JPY, I have this setup that is about to play out. Um, the structure is bullish, as you can see. We had a change of direction around this point. Let me annotate. We had a change of direction around this point. So what I'm waiting for is just this market coming into this level. I just need a candle closure here. Already I set pending order. So I need a candle closure around here. Pump it all the way to the upside. That's all. Okay. As per the strategy. Then I think that's all. That's all. Then this past week, I think I entered some exited some profitable trades. GBP JPY. I had to exit GBP JPY. I didn't wait for it to go to the next zone. I think I exited GBP JPY along this point, right? I exited along there. So yeah, I exited. But yeah, I rode the wave from this level. Okay, I rode the wave from here to the upside. So I just exited along the way. Same thing, GP card also. GP card, I rode the wave from here all the way here. Um, yeah, I would have held even further, but as per my strategy, I trade levels to levels. Likewise, Euro card, as you can see. So I'll be looking for sells on Euro card. Well, yeah, it's gonna take a long time before the sales would play out. It's gonna take a long time from what I'm seeing. So I'm just gonna wait. But for now, I'm not taking off my profit, taking my profit from this pair. Immediately we hit this zone. So I'll be moving to the sell side of things. Um, USDGPY, I think I bought USDGPY for short term. Also, I made some money. I think from here, I saw a change of direction on a lower time frame. I just decided to ride that wave upwards to this upside. Okay, and yeah, I decided to ride that wave upwards, and yeah, that was the reason why I bought. And also, there was a fundamental reason. I was looking at the interest rate differentials. So yeah, so that was one other reason I bought, but I just bought short term, right? Like I said, I trade level to level, so I made some money off of that one. Though it reversed sharply, I was greedy, so the trade had to still eat some profit off the table, but I still closed out, acknowledging the greediness. But yeah, so I'm looking for sales, as you can see by this arrow, looking for sales on this particular zone. So I haven't seen the confirmation yet, but I'm just anticipating. On USDCHF, I'm looking for buys, but like I said, it's also gonna take time. Okay, it's gonna take time. USD card, I'm also looking for buys on this pair. So the first confirmation I need has actually surfaced. So I'm waiting for the second confirmation to then ride it to the level upwards. Okay, to buy this market, I need a second confirmation to move it towards this area. However, if it doesn't give me second confirmation for buy and then decides to go for the sell, I'm then willing to sell to the downside. So it's on my watch list going into this week. Then I also have VNZD also on my watch list for buys, looking to buy towards this level. And if that happens, then um, officially I would say that the trend has changed to bullish. Initially, the trend looked a bit bearish, but we had a chalk sweep right down here. A change of direction sweep. So market reversed to the upside. Um, then we had that chalk sweep fail around the zone. So after it failed, I expected it was gonna come and take out this low to the downside. However, market still failed the change of direction that occurred on this particular leg. Okay, it still failed again. So it's almost like a range that occurred here. Short-term range. Yeah, this was supposed to this move was supposed to take out the high. It didn't take out the high. Came down, was supposed to take out the low. Didn't take out the low. So it's like it's hanging. Didn't take out the high, didn't take out the low, just hanging in here. So I'm expecting this coming wave to give me a confirmation here and then pull up to the upside, giving a change of direction. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm expecting. So I'm watching GBP going into this week for buys. Then the trades I'm active on, um, CAD CHF, as you can see, I'm riding the wave all the way to the next level. I'm in profit on this trade, and yeah. So GPCHF likewise just started. I entered at that zone, as you can see, and yeah, the market just reversed back again. So I entered here. So as you can see, the market reversed. So I'm expecting it to come into this particular region. Yeah. So far so good. The trade looks good. Hasn't really made any movement to this upside. So yeah, I'm still confident this will hit target, but let's see how it goes. So those are the only two trades I'm active on. Then the ones I'm closely watching in line with other ones on my watch list, but these ones I'm closely watching them is AD card. I'm looking to buy AD card or sell AD card based off where it gives me a confirmation. If it gives me a confirmation on this zone, I'm going to buy. If it gives me confirmation here, I'm going to sell to the downside. Likewise, AUD and ZT. Okay, any zone it gives a confirmation, or any point rather, it gives a confirmation. I'm going to buy or sell if it gives me confirmation. If it comes back to this particular price level, I'm going to sell. If it decides to pump to 1850, sorry, if it decides to pump to 1.08500, okay, if it goes there, I'm going to buy towards this next level. However, with the way this engulfing candle looks or points to the downside, I'm expecting a sell. So once it comes into this level, I'm going to sell towards the downside. So yeah, that's that for currency pairs. So I think I also have Ethereum. I'm also watching this one. Um, yeah, I'm watching it very closely. I'm expecting um, Ethereum to buy at 2.5. Yeah, but if he decides to sell, no problem. But I'm waiting for a buy. Then on gold, gold is in a range for now. It's a sell for gold, as you can see. Based on my annotation, this is a change of direction, but a sweep. Okay, that's the way I know that this is a sweep. It's not by the candlestick. Okay, I have my own way of knowing that this is a change of direction sweep, which means that it is a reversal. A reversal meaning the market has changed direction to the upside, right, by breaking this previous high, but then it has also reversed again. So expecting market to come towards this level. Okay, same thing happened here. Right, I saw this low broken, looked like market wanted to go down, but then it was a chalk sweep, which meant market was gonna come to this previous high that was created here. So the same thing is gonna happen here. Come to this previous target right here. But at least first things, it's probably gonna hit this level and then bounce or come to this particular low to break it. Okay, any of them could occur, but for now, gold for me is more like a range. No real direction yet. You can see it's bearish, you can see it's bullish. You just playing within these two levels, especially with the de-escalation of the war in the Middle East. So yeah, that's really um, sending gold to this level. On Okay, sorry. So on US 30, I was also bullish on that one, and you can see how it is pumping to the upside. However, I'll be looking for short-term sales. Okay, looking for short-term sales. Let's see how it goes. We're looking for short-term sales. So lastly, on BTC, I am bullish. Yes, I'm bullish on BTC, expecting BTC to buy towards this particular level. So 112K. Yes, that's what I expect BTC to go to. So I'm bullish on BTC. Let's see how it goes. So that's all for the swing episode. See you next time.